Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Tuesday. How's everyone doing? Hello, hello. Good morning. Ooh, the market is pumping. This, yeah, 598 on SPY. That was strong pump. Let's see how, if it's really gonna hold. Are we gonna have a green day today or a red day? 598 is key for SPY. Morning, morning. Morning. Oh, shoot. Shoot, sorry. Why is this not working? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why it's not working. You should see me and you should like be looking at the charts. Okay, now. Morning. Morning. Morning, morning. Here I am. Hello, hello. How's everyone doing here? Do we have any data coming up today, this morning? Why Intel is being so choppy? Intel's been a pain in the ass. Thank God I took some profits on this huge bump last week. But yeah. Just Fed. At what time we have one Fed speaking? At 10? At 10 a.m.? That's gonna mess up my trading. CPI and PPI on Thursday. We have Fed speaking today at 10. Okay. Okay. Nvidia swing trade is looking okay. I think I need to take profits on Google. We'll see. Okay, we have the Q holding the VWAP, SPY holding above the VWAP, but the market's moving kind of weird. Another pullback to 512 on the Q, and if it holds, will be perfect for entries. Meta, what's Meta doing? Let's see. Oh yeah, big bump. 554 was the key level to hold there. It's too late. It's too late to enter that one. We need to enter before the move happens. Ooh. Ooh, we have nice move on Google. I still have my Google swing. They're deep in the money already. See what Microsoft is doing. Ooh, rejecting 420. That's a key level that Microsoft needs to break if we want to see more upside. But I do like that Microsoft keeps holding above 516, 515. I think yesterday pullback at 516 was a very good opportunity to buy the dip. Percentage up on Google, let me see. For 26%, 426.38. It's about to hit 183.50. That's pretty much my main PT. Meta has been crazy choppy, so seeing these big bounce, it doesn't surprise me. But also, if you guys see the daily chart, it's been crazy choppy. But the 580 hold, the 579 hold was very, very clean yesterday. For me, the best trade was Google, not Meta or Nvidia or Microsoft. It was Google. We enter when did we enter Google? That was so clean. That was the best trade that we took. Look at this entry. This entry was perfection. We entered around 170. It was around 171, I think, when I called it out. And look at this huge move. It's about to hit my PT here, almost 184. It's a little bit under 184. That was the trade. No, that's the trade. We had a perfect break and retest entry here. We were patient enough to wait for this little gap to get filled, the pullback, hold, and then boom. That was the trade. You miss Meta? Me too. And we're gonna miss so many more in the future. And we're gonna catch so many more also in the future. So missing one, we're gonna miss a lot. Get used to it. That's part of trading. What do you think about AMD? AMD is lagging. Could be a good opportunity to play the upside. I was looking at AMD chart this morning, and I like the hold of 145. Yeah, I think where it is right now, 145, 144, it's a good hold. I would not trade AMD because AMD's been extremely choppy. It's been faking everyone's out left and right. So I don't like that. I don't like trading charts that are like that. Market very bullish this morning, like very bullish, very fast. Yeah, but AMD is bouncing out of that level that I talk about, 144, 145. What is Tesla doing? Let's see. Nothing. I think 320 on Tesla will be the level to watch out. If it can pull back to 320, which I think it's possible. I don't know if it's gonna happen today, but I do think it's possible. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, as long as you are comfortable trading with the SPY in the queue only and not like having to look back at NQ and ES, it's good. But nothing wrong with only trading with ES and NQ and not SPY in the queue. Whatever works for you. $420 rejection on Microsoft was perfect. Today I brought 2 protein bars that we're gonna review. Remember when we used to do that? I have cookies and cream and caramel chocolate from Bear Bells. Bear Bells is the brand. This one and this one. I think I'm gonna get the caramel chocolate. This one. We'll see. I'm small and this is a huge mug. Yeah, I'm small. I have a very small face and hands, and I'm 5'2". So yeah, I'm short. So today I'm gonna trade with 20 APEX accounts, 3 mind funded futures, and 7 straight to funded accounts Tradeify. I've been loving Tradeify so much. I love it. This is looking definitely like a flag here, bull flag. Apple very strong, Google strong, Nvidia strong. The Q crazy strong. Let's see if the Q can break Thursday and Friday high. We have 2 very strong resistance above. Very close here. Tesla is looking weak. I don't know, it's too early to know if I'm playing long or short. So far, it looks like a green day, but do I trust it? Not really. I see what I'm gonna play if it is at my levels, which I posted my levels and my plan for today, what I'm watching today. It's right down on my Discord. You have the link down on the description below. Tradeify. What do you want me to say? You have everything on their website. It's very straightforward. You either buy a eval valuation account, which I don't know nothing about it because I never bought any evaluation account from Tradeify, and I'm using the straight to funded accounts on Tradeify, and the rules are very straightforward. You need to make they have to apply for payment. You need to be on the 20% consistent. You need to have it on your account 20% consistency. They have a 20% consistency rule. You need to trade for 10 days and you need 5 days making $100. And you can have up to 5 accounts copy trading. I don't know, guys. I don't remember exactly. The 20% consistency rule, yes, it's not the best, but I mean, they need to make money, right? So if you're using them, you need to follow the rules. So it's either you buy a straight to funded account and you follow the rules, or buy a evaluation account which doesn't have the 20% consistency rule and just take your time, pass the eval, and then make whatever money you need to make for apply for payment on that one. So you're gonna spend at least a week. I will say 2 weeks on the evals, unless you go crazy and pass it in one day. But you're gonna spend at least, I will say at least 1 week just passing it and then getting to the profit target to be able to apply for payments. I'm the type of trader that I don't like spending too much time on evals, but also that depends on your budget. If you have a small budget, you need to be careful and just go slow and steady to pass those evals, because you don't want to spend money blowing up evals, right? For me, I just buy a bunch and then I just try to pass them in like one day if I can. That's what I do with Apex, at least. I buy 20 and then I try to pass them all in one day. But again, it depends on your budget. The other thing that you can do if you have like kind of like a tight budget, go to Tradeify, buy only one straight to funded account, and then buy their evals, so you can make money on the straight to funded accounts while trading also your evals. And then when you pass the evals, you don't have to deal with the 20% consistency rule. I think it's 30 or 40 on their growth account. I'm not 100% sure, because again, I haven't traded any evals on Tradeify. Yeah, that was a strong reaction. That's a big one. $5.98. Let's see how it's gonna react. Spider. Why? Oh, because we have the Fed speaking. It's 10:04. What did he say? That's a strong reaction. Are we gonna hold here? This is kind of tempting. I'm gonna go long. Let's see. Let's see if we can hold 5.98. If not, I'm getting out. We could definitely go a little bit lower here to 5.97.80, 5.97.87. We'll see. Definitely risky. It's a risky trade. But I don't think it's a technical reaction. I think it's more of a just the Fed saying something. So we could see a bounce just because of that. Ooh, that's a big one. Let's see if it's gonna bounce there, hold 598 or not. I want to see this candle closing, holding 598. Okay, I'm out. The next level that we can play is 512 on the Q. If I see a very strong rejection here, I'll wait for a bounce and rejection of 598. Nvidia is still holding above the VWAP. We'll see Microsoft and Apple looking weak. Google fighting the VWAP. I like that hold. Ooh, I might try it again. I don't like that Apple is very weak. I like that candle. I like how it's gonna close holding 598. If it closes like that, it's definitely looking bullish. This candlestick, how it reacted there, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna try this again. I want to see at least a bounce here to the VWAP. Okay, I like that. Okay. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I like that bounce. I want to see her breaking the VWAP now. That always happens. Like, okay. this is something that I learned just by watching the chart for years. That I think that these type of move or trades comes more with experience. But anytime you have a reaction because of something like right now, like a Fed started speaking and we have a huge reaction, right? That is not a technical reaction. For me, it's not a real reaction. It's just a move because one Fed opened their mouth, right? If you have that and then you have that move stops right at a strong support or resistance, because it could have been like a very strong move to the upside and stopped here at 600. For me, those are not real move. So at this situation, for me, it was very expected for the market to bounce here because it's not a real move. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. It is like you have this big candle for nothing, just because a Fed opened their mouth, but it's not because a real something happening, like something real, right? And then you have these bullish candlesticks right at support, so it is more like, okay, I know we just moved for nothing. It's just a fact reaction out of nowhere. Not out of nowhere, but out of not a real bad news. And then you have a very strong support. 598 acted like a very strong support yesterday and Friday. So I was expecting at least a bounce. I was not thinking about, oh, we're gonna break new highs or break this high. No, I just wanted to see I just was expecting a strong reaction here just because how this candlestick closed. Now we just need to give it the market a little bit of time to either consolidate or show us what is gonna be the real trend for today. Because it just had an ugly reaction at the VWAP, but it's still holding 598. So pretty much we have nothing here. Whoa, that was a big move on Microsoft. Is about to break 420. Well, it's a little bit above 420. If you can really hold 420, that's a good entry to go long. In fact, I think the best entry was yesterday at 515, 516. But either way, watch out today's high, this morning high on Microsoft. You can really hold that. That's your entry to go long. I'm already on Microsoft, so I'm not gonna take that trade, but I'm just letting you guys know. 520. And I'm waiting for Tesla to go to 320. I'm waiting for that 320 on Tesla. Tesla chart could be a little bit tricky to go long because it has too many gaps below. Ooh, Nvidia is looking beautiful. Let's see how Nvidia is gonna react to all-time high. 149. Nvidia swing. We had a perfect entry on Nvidia yesterday. Yeah, Nvidia's looking pretty good. I want to see it holding 150. If Nvidia can really hold the 150, it's boom boom time. I'm gonna log most of my profits around 149. Ooh, excuse me. Thank you. SPY still holding 598. Google looking very weak. Apple also not looking strong. Microsoft reacting 420. Should we go long here again? I kind of like that hold. But I'm gonna wait to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close, how the next one is gonna open. I'm gonna try it. I like that hold. I'm gonna try for another little bounce here. And no copy software. You just use. I'm using groups on Tradeovate. Okay, it looks like it's not gonna work. We'll see. Okay, I like that reaction. Nvidia very strong. Very, very strong. I don't know, guys. Make your own decision. You have what I posted today on my Discord on Intel. Go read it and make the decision if you want to add or not. Nvidia, looking so beautiful. Apple is not looking good. It might mess up my trade here. Oopsie. Come on, Spy, give me that bounce. Okay, I like that hold. I like that hold. Spy needs to hold here. I bought it here with you guys on the stream on what day? It was Tuesday last week. Nvidia is looking so good. That Nvidia swing was perfect. Okay, I like that reaction there. Nvidia is moving the market and Nvidia is looking pretty strong. I like that hold on Apple. That's definitely gonna help me here. I like that Apple move now. Nice. change of direction on Apple. That should move SPY in the queue because Nvidia and Apple are moving here. $150 will be the key level that I want to see Nvidia breaking. Tricky. Nvidia is rejecting all-time high. I'm gonna start locking some profits here on the Nvidia swing. Ooh, I don't like that reaction there. I don't like that reaction on Nvidia. But that swing was perfection. I took profits on the weeklies on Nvidia. Those are over 100%. Come on, SPY, hold there. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. If this thing bounce here, I'm gonna be so mad. Yep. Yeah, don't kill me. I don't see why SPY is having so much trouble here when we have Apple and Nvidia going higher and we have Microsoft holding very good. What it's making SPY not going higher. What's going on with SPY? Financials? Okay. Financial is XLE? No, that's energy. F? Yeah, F. Oh yeah, financials is definitely weak. Yep. This is getting annoying if it's gonna stop me out again. Come on, SPY, give me the boom boom. Give me the boom boom. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nvidia moving. I want to see Nvidia breaking 150. Apple reacting to 24.50. Apple is very, very choppy today. Very choppy. Come on, give me the boom boom. Give me the boom boom. Looking for a move at least to today's high. We'll see. Okay, Apple waking up, Microsoft waking up, Nvidia definitely reacting all-time high. Ugly reaction there on Nvidia. Maybe not like all-time high. I like this hold. It's just not giving me the move. But I do like this hold on SPY. But we need more. We need more. We need more boom boom. Apple boom booming. Come on, SPY. I'm gonna sell one when we hit the VWAP here. Too late for Meta, guys. Move on. Meta, it's too late. You need to buy before the move happens. Just like buying at this high on Tesla. Yeah, these are 20 APEX accounts. I took the exactly same trade on Tradeify. I'm already out. 375 on it on all 7 accounts. And trading here with 20 APEX because on Tradeify, because of the 20% consistency rules, I only look for hit-based type of trades. So in and out fast. With Apex, I can hold for longer. It might bite me in the ass today. We'll see. Dude, that was an ugly reaction on Meta. 600 clean. That was a clean reaction. 600. But if you guys see the Meta daily chart, it is extremely choppy. I do not like it. This thing is doing nothing. So my idea with this trade is I'm not selling unless we break this low here. If it breaks this low, obviously I'm gonna be red for the day on Apex. But I still... Do I see a super bullish? No, but I also don't see a super bearish. I still like this 594, 598 hold on SPY. Nice strong bounce back on Nvidia. Apple holding very good. I like this consolidation of Microsoft right at the 420 level. Meta just gave back the entire move. Was that move based on news? That was a weird move on Meta. And we keep holding. Let's see if this time is gonna get me out of this trade or it's gonna keep me in. It's definitely looking very weak. I'm waiting to see how this candle is gonna close. Definitely not looking good. Okay, I'm out. Looks like we're reacting there. Very choppy, but definitely weak. Okay, so I'm red on the 20 Apex account and green on Tradeify. My contacts are being super like itchy. Now I guess the thing to watch here is the rejection of 498 because where it SPY is definitely weak and it's on a downtrend. Apple is still looking pretty strong. Same thing with Nvidia. Microsoft is still looking very good. Google trying to hold morning low. And I might just got fake out again. Intel looks like it's gonna go for the gap below. What time is this? It's 10 till 11. Okay, we have a rejection here. But do I want to take another trade here? I don't know. I don't know if I want to play this reaction here. I don't know. The thing is, like, I find it extremely weird seeing the Q and SPY being so weak with Apple crazy strong, Nvidia holding very, very good, and Microsoft holding very, very good. Like, it's weird. It's weird seeing the Q acting like that with those three holding so good. Where at least we have Nvidia and we have Microsoft. Both are looking amazing. Those swings are looking amazing. What else? Nothing. The Q is not even tradable. Look at this. The Q is doing nothing. Like nothing at all. Which is so weird. If we had the Q at 512, we could try to play a bounce here. But it's doing nothing. And we have a SPY very weak. But it's crazy choppy. The Q is crazy choppy. Ooh, I like that reaction there. I like that reaction. How are you guys doing so far? Are you guys red or green? Hopefully green. You were green? I was green also. I was red, and then I was green, and then I was red, and then I was green, and now I'm red. Yeah, looking like Christmas. Definitely. Yesterday was pretty difficult for me also. And today it looks like it's gonna go on the same path. I I understand it because I said it a bunch of times, and I know that whenever we are so at all-time high or so close to all-time high, it is very difficult for me to trade. Fridays, big gap up days, and when we're close or at all-time high. Those are my three weaknesses when it comes to trading. I do not trade good when we're like that. Yeah. I was watching that, but I didn't want to trade again so fast right away. Yeah, but I said it, like, this is a good reaction point. I think the biggest problem that I had today is that in my mind it's kind of weird. Like, I don't understand then why SPY in the queue. Well, I know now why SPY is being so weak, but still I don't understand why the queue did not move at all today, with the big three being so bullish, like Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft. What's going on with Meta? That must be some news or something, because that was a weird move. 580, it's an important level here for Meta. Looks like we could see this 597 level. It's a pre-market low here, and it was also an important level here on Monday last week. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 512 for on the queue and see how it's gonna work there. I do want to see 512 on the queue. Anyone got in on this reaction here? I'm hungry. What do you mean, why? I do think we could definitely see it here 597 and then 596 if SPY cannot hold 597. Fair Life? What's that? That's the one that it has the cow on. I think, right? Fair Life. Yep. Oh, yeah. I try them. I like their vanilla and chocolate, also protein shakes. Mm-hmm. Whole milk? I cannot drink whole milk. So I took that trade with my funded futures. That reaction. I did not want to take anything with Apex. I'm done with Tradeify. I took it with my funded futures. I took this reaction here. I'm looking for 595, and then if SPY breaks 595, I'm sorry, 597, which is an important level here, that's Monday low. The next one is gonna be 596. And Tesla is a mess. Super messy. Microsoft is holding very, very, very good. I'm doing awesome. Doing awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you, Habibi. Okay, I'm gonna try this chocolate caramel variable protein bar. This one is 190 calories, 8 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar, and 16 grams of protein. I wish it was 20 lower and a little bit lower in carbs, but we'll see. These protein bars are very, very good. Looks like this. So good. You can definitely taste the caramel. I love it. Yeah. They're pretty good. It's caramel chocolate. I'm playing Pickleball today. Look at that apple bounce. I have, after finishing the stream, I'm gonna cook, eat, go to the gym, and then I have Pickleball at 5. And I'm play for like 3 hours, sometimes even more. Depending on the weather. But most of the time I play from 5:30 till like 8:30. No, today's shoulders day. Alright, the bear bills. They're getting pretty big right now. I see them everywhere. And they're pretty good also. Yeah, very popular. Come on, Q, give me 512. I'm gonna wait for 512 on the queue and see if I can turn around the Apex accounts. These 3 are my Funded Futures accounts. I wish my Funded Futures allow us to trade with at least 20 accounts, maybe 5. Ten will be perfect because I love trading with my Funded Futures. It's so easy, they're so easy, like you get your payments like so fast. It's ridiculous. This is getting boring. Okay. Give me more here. SPY, a little bit more. SPY, Apple breaking out. If Apple can break yesterday high, it's boom boom time. For Apple. Doesn't look like the Q or SPY wants to move. Tesla getting weak. But everything's very, very slow. Do I journal my trade? Not really. I used to at the beginning. That's how I figured out that Fridays are my worst days. That Gap and Go's day are not really my day. And also that I do not trade good when we are at all-time high or near all-time high. But I do have, yeah, I do have Tradezilla, but I don't really journal there. I just put I only see there my P&L, and I don't even see it. I only do it for you guys because I was constantly asked how much money I was making on the week and the month, and I honestly didn't really pay attention to that because for me the most important thing when it comes to trading is the setup, not how much money I'm making. But yes, I do have Tradezilla. It's right here. This is my Tradezilla this month. Let me change this. This month so far, only with futures, I'm up, I think around 150k. Oh, 161 so far. Last month was insane. Look at this. Look at this. That was insane. October was over 300k. But this is not journaling. I'm only looking at my P&L. This is not journaling. Journaling is when you made a trade and you write literally your journal what happened before, during, and after the trade. But this is just my P&L with futures. I'm not putting here any options. I don't want to mess up that. Yeah. But this is sick. This is cool. I love seeing these. I still can see... Where is it? Inside. No. Reports, maybe? Let's do last 30 days. I still can see my worst days. I think so. Trade duration. Maybe on calendar is where I see my worst days. Yeah, but Tradezilla for me right now, it's not gonna tell me much inside. Only my P&L. When I use it when I started doing futures, I did use it as I should have been using it, which is journaling everything that I was doing wrong and right on each trade. What was my plan? If I follow my plan, any stupid thing that I did on each trade, and then maybe on report. And then that's how I learn. Oh, and I use, okay, this is key. This is very important here. I use the tags on, so basically every time I did a trade, I put a tag if it was a YOLO, if it was a gap and go, if it was a gap close reversal, if it was a gap fill play, if it was, what was the other one that I was using? Oh, if it was based on the daily. Yeah, if my trade was based on the daily, if it was a swing trade, if it was a scalp, all that. So that's how I got the insight of how I trade and which were my best trades and my worst trades. My best trades when it comes to risk to reward were definitely the gap field plays. But I don't do that anymore. Like I don't put all that insight anymore here, because this is just for you guys to see how much I made and how much I lose every day. Yeah, trades. Umar is the best. I love how he trades, and I love Tradezilla. I think he's gonna be a billionaire. It's called Tradezilla. Okay, I'm gonna lower here my stop loss. You know what? I'm getting out of this one. I'm good with this. 197. Yes, I'm good. Guys, I'm done for the stream today. The next trade that I'm gonna take is if I see the Q holding 512, or if I see it rejecting it 512. So I'm green on my funded futures. My funded futures. I'm green on Tradeify. If you guys have not used Tradeify, I definitely recommend it. Right now, it's my number one, honestly. And so far I'm red on APEX. I'll see if I can turn around this. I don't think I'm gonna touch again my funded futures and Tradeify unless I see an A+ setup. But we'll see. This is getting super slow. Yeah, it's getting crazy boring. I'm falling asleep here and my contacts are bothering me. So yeah, 512 is the next level that I'm looking to trade. We'll see if I get it or not. Maybe I skip it because I'm going to the gym. I don't know. So thank you guys for being here. I'll see you guys mañana.